Hey guys, we're back today. Weekends on Wheels with a RV minute mod. Today we're going to be adding a winterization hose kit to our water pump to make things a little bit easier when we winterize. So let's get to it. So this is all you'll need. You'll need a valve splitter, a T-splitter. This is going to be the input and output, and this will be the other input. This is going to be the winterizing hose that would go into your antifreeze bucket. We added another barb adapter to the end and put a fitting on the end, so it doesn't have a chance of leaking. God forbid the valve was to fail. And then these are the two valves that'll go on either side of. So I put these on, the ends on here, so it's just a little bit easier to hook up. Put a little bit of pipe tape around and tighten them down. And then over here in our water pump bay, we're just going to take the input hose. So this is the normal hose that comes from the fresh water tank into the water pump, and then the other side goes out in the PEX to the camper. So we're gonna interrupt this line with that T-piece. We're gonna slide the two barbs in, and then we'll tighten down with clamp fittings and get it done. Go ahead and cut this. Make sure your water's clean, blown out, whatever. There's no residual water in there. Do keep a towel a little handy, okay? All right, so get your pipe clamps on. Insert one side and then the other side. All right, so everything's in, everything's secured down. Now, supply from fresh water tank on into the pump. Winterizing hose. Supply. All right, last thing is, when we get hooked up, we'll test it, make sure we got no leaks. Everything looks great. Little winterizing kit, RV minute mods.